Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT for your personal finance analysis. You would need to pay ChatGPT or try any of these frees, like Gemini from Google. First, what we need is to acquire bank statements to get a real view of our data. I would be using bank statement sets that I've created for this demonstration. It was created also by using ChatGPT. So let's get into it. I've already imported it into my ChatGPT. So let's start with use cases on how we can use it. So we can ask it to categorize our payments. So let's do this. So let's wait for the result of chat, what it's going to create for us. It's taking a little while. So now we can see we've got some categorized payments. So let's ask it to create buckets of from it. So now this would show us how much we spend on each category. So we are getting a table. So here we can see that we've earned $9,000, spent $4,000 on utilities, something on shopping, groceries, and gym. And we can ask it for spending chart. It could show us charts and all kinds of data visualization from our finance data. Yeah, so this is the visualization. We can ask it for pie chart. Yeah, we can play with the graph, asking the questions or asking for it to make adjustments. So yeah, this is it, working some visualizations to get a picture of how we're doing. And we can also ask it what I'm doing with my money. So let's ask it where I'm spending the most. So it's utilities, and we can ask it if this is a specific one. So here in our training data we do not have specific one, but like electricity or something. Yeah, we can also ask it for some money saving tips. So let's ask it on money saving tips based on our statement. So here we are getting like specialized tips based on our statements, and if I would to use my real statements, we would get better answers and can play with it more. But this is just for the demonstration on what is the power of AI and how could you use it into your advantage managing your personal finances. So we can tell it big sorts of things like if I sent money to Revolut, it was categorized by internet payment, and I've told him that it was me sending money to my another account to Revolut, and it rewrites the spendings, actualizes the categories. Yeah, so if you have these kind of nuances, like you are sending money to another account, yeah, so you need to tell it in order to ChatGPT to know that you transfer one funds to another account, and it would take this in account when working with your data. So now it's safe to say that this one is a great helper in getting grip around your finances and to know where you are spending the most. Yeah. So thank you for your time, and I hope you will use it. So bye.